Hello everybody. Today we're going to be going over how to install Discord hook to your Unturned and your Discord server. We are going to be assuming that you have already bought and paid for the Discord hook on imperialplugins.com. We are also going to be assuming that you have installed a Rocket mod to your Unturned server and that proper ports are specified. To start off, you're going to start by downloading the Discord hook plugin. Once you've downloaded it, there will be a license.txt folder which goes over the imperialplugins.com product terms and conditions, while there will also be the rocket license.txt going over the rocket mods licensing. But that currently is not part of our tutorial. We are going to be going over the libraries and the plugins folder currently. So you're going to open up to your server folder and you're going to go to your rocket plugins. We are going to grab the discordhook.dll out of the plugins folder. Now we're going to go back to Rocket and we're going to go to the libraries folder. Here we're going to be needing to install these 4 DLLs to the libraries folder. Please note that if you already have these in your folders, it's fine if you overwrite them from another plugin as they're all the exact same files. Once you've installed that, we're going to start our Unturned server. That way we can generate the files needed to put all the proper configurations in. Here we're going to notice that the license key is not set up, which is okay because we just needed it to create all of our files. Now you're going to be able to shut down your server, and we are going to go back to the server, and we're going to go back to Rocket, Plugins, and then we're going to open up the Discord hook folder that has now been generated and open up discordhook.configuration.xml. Now that we have opened up the Discord hook configuration file, we're going to go to and start filling in a bunch of these settings here. First of all, we have our receive messages from Discord. This will be where it'll receive messages from your Discord server, as in where you can type messages in your Discord and it will consider it as commands for your server to be executed. The Discord server ID we are going to put in now. So you're going to open up your Discord. Okay. We're going to go to Settings, Appearance, scroll down and enable developer mode. Once you have that open, then we're going to go and right click on our server and click copy ID. This will grab the server ID that we will now put into the Discord server ID. The server link you can pretty much put as anything you'd wish, any website, any link. You can have your Discord server go to it, so just make sure that it is a openable link that you can put there. For me, I'm going to put our modernroleplay.net for my server. The next two you can just completely ignore unless you know the advanced parts of that. For the license key, this license key you may not share to anybody according to the Imperial Plugins terms and conditions. Your license key, you are going to click Get License Key, and there's going to be a code that's going to be exactly this long, roughly. And that code you're going to put exactly into there. I'm not going to show it, as, of course, I need to follow the terms and conditions of the Imperial plugins. So I will not be showing this to you guys, but I will fill it in just a moment. Next up, we have our webhooks. Webhooks is part of the Discord server. So you're going to open up your Discord again, and we're going to actually create a few channels because we're going to be needing these channels for all of our messages. Now, to make this a little bit more simple and allow you guys to see all of the aspects, we're going to name all of these as their actual names. So we're going to do server, world, area, group, spy, commands, console, load, shut down, join, leave, plugins, reports, info. Now, once you have set these in, be sure that they are all have the first letter capitalized. Otherwise, the Discord hook plugin may not work for these specific channels. So now that we've inserted them into here, we are going to actually put them onto our Discord too. So now we're going to have a bunch of these text channels that'll allow us to put these all in. So I'm just going to make it a little bit easier for me where I can see everything that I need here. I'm going to add some text channels here as server, if I can type, world, area, group, spy, commands, console, load, shut down, join, leave. Spelled that totally wrong. Be sure that these are the same names as in here, otherwise they won't work. The capitals do not matter in the Discord, as Discord does not allow you to put capitals for your text channels. Plugins, reports, and info. Now, you don't have to do all of these like how I have done. As you saw that there was some that already used main multiple times, which means that there would be a main channel on your Discord that would specifically use that single channel. Now, today we're going to be splitting it all up like this. That way you are able to see each different feature in their own respective categories. Now, since we have all of these set as a totally different item, we're going to have to set up the webhook for it. So for the webhook, I am just going to clear this one, and I'm going to copy and paste it, replacing these. That way we have a bunch of different webhooks. Of course, I copied a space just before it, so it's going to keep adding a space every time I go to add the next line. So now we have to fill in the names once again. So now that we've set up the webhook names, we're going to go to the respective channel. We don't need general here, so I'm going to delete the channel. That way it does not confuse anybody. So first of all, we're going to start with server. We're going to go to webhooks. I must disable streamer mode here. That way I can open it. So I can create a webhook. And we're just going to call it Discord hook, bot, whatever you'd like. It really doesn't matter the name of it. So copy the webhook URL for your hashtag server channel or whatever you've named the webhook, and paste it in here. That way you are able to connect the server webhook / messages to your Discord. So now we're going to do it for each and every channel. Which channel was this? I feel like I messed up there. That was shut down. Okay, so now that we've had it all inputted, I'm just going to go and make sure that all my webhooks are the same name. This one's different. So mine are all Discord hook as I've named them. I will now be inserting my license key, so I cannot show that to you guys. Okay, so now that I'm ready to put my license key in, we're going to confirm that we have everything here. Finally, though, we are going to go over color. These color parts are that way that you can color your specific text that comes into your Discord. So for join, it's going to be whichever hex value this represents for colors. So now I'm going to save my license in here, and I'm going to start the server up. Okay, so now we're going to open up the server. Server will be launching. So now we're going to notice that here for the Discord hook plugin, there's now a /report command, which will allow players to do /report if you give them the permission. And this /report will then put into the reports channel a specific report amount of text. /info will give the server info. /spy pretty much overwrites the normal /spy from Rocket Mod and will make it that way it sends the spy to our spy channel on Discord. /bug report will allow it to report bugs to the server, to the Discord hook, or to the Discord plugin, and it will go straight to your report section. /b report is just a simpler way of doing bug report. So first of all, now that we've started up the server, we're going to notice a console. It's started up the console and showed that the server has fully loaded, or has loaded up intentionally, and now it has stated that the server has loaded via the load channel. I'm going to boot up my Unturned now, and I will show more of the commands and everything in there. So now that Unturned has loaded, we're going to go to Play, Servers, and Internet. We're going to search for our Discord Hook server, as that's what it's been named. Right, and then we're just going to go to LAN to speed it up. So we're going to join the Discord Hook tutorial server. Clearly, we have Discord Hook installed. And as we join, we're going to open up the Discord here. We're going to notice that in the join channel, once we join the server, it's going to show them that we've joined the server, or a player has joined the server, to be more exact. So, Modern Mo has joined the server, which is me. My group is Modern Roleplay Police Force. In console, we've noticed that the console has also shown that we have joined the server. So right here, connecting player ID and my character name and normal name for Steam has joined the server. So pretty much anything that happens in this console will be shown in the console channel. Anybody that's joined the server will be in the join channel. Commands that somebody will do. So if I do /p to find my permissions, I will notice that in the commands folder, somebody with admin, judging by cyan, as I am currently cyan, has actually done /p at this time specifically. Now if I go and spy on somebody here, it has shown in chat that somebody has spied on somebody. And here we've noticed in the commands channel it's been spied, and in the spy channel it has shown a image of who executed the spy command and who it targeted. And then we're going to notice this is what they were looking at exactly. Next up, we're going to be typing in the world chat, the area chat, and the group chat. Now in the server channel, it's the world chat. Oh, that's pretty confusing now. Why didn't it go to the world, but it went to the server channel? So we've noticed that in the area channel, it showed that I'm at Shelton Farm and I've said hi. Group channel, it showed my group and that I said hi. And in server, it showed that I said hi. We're going to look into this server and world part in just a moment here once we're done showing this off. Shutdown will show that we've shut down the server just as it has for the server is up. We're going to show that right at the end. Join, we've noticed. Leave is the same as join, but it'll be most likely red in that we've left the server. Plugins, it will show any failed plugins that did not actually properly load or did not load at all on the server, typically when you're booting up only. The reports, when you do /report, somebody's name, so for instance modern, it can be short as if you're also TPing. So /report modern, and he's making a video. Right, my report has now been sent to Discord. In the Discord channel, we've noticed in report that there is now a report from Modern Mo, which is clickable to go to the player's Steam profile, the player's target that they meant to report, so you can also click on that and go to their Steam profile, their location of the target, the reason the player was reported, the time, the target's ID, the target's group, the target's current playtime, and the permission the target has, which is currently guest. These permissions will be shown in your permissions file. So if we go to servers, Discord hook, rocket, permissions.config.xml, we'll notice that in here that the person only has the guest permission, as it's the default one that is assigned to any player that has joined the server. As this player has not been given anything specifically, it will not show anything special. So it'll only show guest. /info, we're going to do next, which will now send a info report to the server. I guess we've had another spy. I don't really remember doing that exactly. Maybe it probably happened, yes. On the report, it happened, it took a screenshot of who the target was during the report. In the console, we'll notice that the player spied on somebody, and it said that it spied on the player. Now, info currently is not working correctly, though it will normally show you a list of player player count, uptime, some more statistics like that. Next up is we're going to be shutting down the server and leaving. So first of all, we're going to leave the server just to display that. And then we're going to shut down the server. You can do /shutdown in game 2. So now that the server has been shut down, we're going to open up our Discord again. Player has left the server with their group as Modern Roleplay Police Force. The server has been shut down. Now we're going to actually boot up the server one more time to display another key feature of Discord Hook. I'm at the wrong spot. This is taking a bit longer. Okay, so console is starting to show the console, and the server is now up also. So now we're going to go back. We're going to join the server. We're also going to show off B report or bug report. So if I do bug report and I make a report, it'll send it right to the Discord into the report channels. And it's shown that the time that I made the report, the person that made the report, and what the report was. We've shown that the players joined, what they've done in the console, commands that that players have used. And now we're going to link the server channel to the actual server. So what we're going to do is put /link, and we're going, I believe it's actually just link like this, link, and we're going to put the IP to the port of the server. So whatever the IP of your server is, mine is, and then you're also going to put a colon, and you're going to put the port in. Currently the server is running on 27018 for me, as I currently have another server running. You're going to put that into a specific channel that you wish. In a moment here, it should come back to us here. Okay, we're going to try this again here. Oh man. Currently it is not linking. The server should link correctly. Okay, so since this is not working, we're going to go straight to the Discord hook on Imperial plugins, and we're going to look at the... Oh, you know what? We never invited the bot to the actual Discord. That might be our problem. So we need to invite the bot to the Discord server. Must enter my authentication code. We're going to add this bot to the Discord server of our choosing, which is going to be our Discord hook tutorial server. Okay, so now we can close this. And now the Discord hook has been added to our server. Though the Discord hook does need a few permissions. So we're going to go to server settings, roles, and we're going to go to our Discord hook. Discord hook, we're going to allow it to view audit log, and we're going to allow it to manage channels. There may be a few other things that may be required of it. Typically, it'll private message you in your PMs on Discord if it needs anything special. So we're going to link it. The server has been linked to this channel. So now if I do /say hello, this Discord bot is going to read it and it's going to resend it while deleting your message. And now in the server, we've noticed that it has said hello. So now that we've linked to that channel, this channel that we specifically linked, we will now be able to type any command that we want the server to be able to execute. Now, technically, this is pretty much your console channel now, as you are now able to type anything you wish here. Now, we're going to troubleshoot this one problem we had with the webhook. Okay, we're just going to make sure that that worked. We're going to shut down the server and restart it. Console, the server has loaded up. Never said it shut down though. So maybe the webhooks have been messed up a little bit in that time frame. Now we're in the game, we're going to type into the world chat again. We're going to open up our Discord. It's still gone to our server channel. So this is where you're going to have to troubleshoot and change your webhooks and your names here. I'm just going to quickly remove my license key and bring it back over to my main monitor that you guys are seeing here. Now we're going to notice here that I did move these around and change them up a lot. You're going to notice that I split each channel up into their own respective spot. So here you can change it as if you wish. Just be sure that this webhook here, server, there must be a webhook in this webhooks area stating what server is connected to. You can have your world chat be your server again too if you like. Even your area chat can all be server. Just be sure that you name them corresponding to your Discord server. So my Discord server channel is going to be main. I'm going to rename my server to main, and then I'm going to rename the webhook to main down here too. The name here will always stay the same. These names along the message must stay the same. These are for the Discord hook to read the messages from the from the server. This has been the tutorial for the Discord Hook plugin. I hope you all enjoyed, and I hope you all had a successful time to actually set this up. If you have had any problems, be sure to comment on this video, or you can go to the, my god, Imperial Plugins, you can go to the Discord Hooks support available on their separate server here. You just click here, and it'll join to the Discord Hooks server. Continue to your Discord. It's going to join it in the browser for me here, which I don't mind. And Arechi's plugins. Arechi is the owner of Discord Hook, and he is the only developer for it. Here, you can go to the support channel and request all kinds of support you need from him. Hope you all enjoyed. Have a good day.